everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the CPU throttling test on the Realme X1 Max after the recent software update. Yes friend, just today I did get the software update in the Realme X1 Max, which is A.16. Let me try to quickly turn on the Wi-Fi and show you the details. So after this software update, there are a couple of things has been changed in terms of the phone. So few of the users did ask me this kind of question: how is the CPU throttling this time? Is it good or is it kind of bad? That is what their question is. Let me try to show you exactly. So this is a dynamic RAM expansion option which also added. This is a version. So right now I did enable the dynamic RAM at this moment, as you can see. So let me try to turn off the Wi-Fi, and I'm trying to keep the brightness around 50% of brightness during this process of demonstration. And this is the CPU throttling application which I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration. Let's see friends whether how much temperatures the phone can actually increase. And number of threads is maximum 100 and time to 15 minutes, as you can see clearly. Let's check the temperatures now. So 34 degrees, not bad, 34. So it should be kind of good to start at 34 degrees, I would say. And my room temperature is 30 degrees. As you can see, pretty normal. And now let me try to start the test. And the phone battery percentage is about 85%. As you can see friends, 85%, not bad. So let's see how is the graph will be handling in this Realme X1 Max after the recent software update. And few of the users, they do have this kind of question that should we update or not. So I'll just ask you to wait for some time. So I need to do plenty of review on this one, but right now I can see the scores which are going down and up. So it's the same kind of issue as before. So even before the software update as well, it's kind of inconsistent. It's not going smooth. So let's see, let's not come into the judgment now itself. So we'll try to continue this test for some time, and then we'll try to see how is the graph handling. So next time I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with other phones, maybe with the OnePlus 8T, Snapdragon 865, not only with the Snapdragon 865 but also with the Snapdragon 870 from the iQOO 7 device. I'll try to do that videos in case if you are interested to watch those. So this kind of results will be really interesting things to see. So our main focus will be on two things. First is the temperatures. So how much higher the temperatures are going. And second, how is the throttling? How much throttling is affected? That's what I'm going to check. So in terms of the temperatures, right now it increased to 36.6, not bad. So during this process of demonstration, as you can see friends, so 36.6 is the highest temperature still now. So I cannot be back after some time, maybe 6 minutes or 7 minutes sometimes. So then we'll be able to see how much battery decrease and how much temperature also increase. How is the graph as well. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to 10 minutes exactly, and I'm seeing really shocking results. So right now the temperature is of 39 degrees, not bad, but the throttling is happening, I think, a lot. So this is my first time doing the CPU throttling test after the recent software update, which is A.16. So as you can see, it's kind of going really down friends. So I'm not sure what has happened with this kind of update. Because sometimes what the manufacturer companies they do is that to maintain the really low temperatures, they'll try to maintain less performance, as you can see. So less performance means less temperatures. So that is what some companies they do, but I did not expect this much of low performance. It went up to 70%. That's a lot. And the temperatures increasing up to 39.2. So overall during this time temperatures remained around 39.2. So if you remember my testings before, the temperature used to increase up to close to 42 and 41, 43 degrees as well sometimes, but right now the temperatures are not increasing. So that will definitely result in the compromise of the performance, I think so. I'm not sure, but these are the results. As you can see, 38 degrees, 39.2. You can see exactly 39.2 degrees. So I'll try to do the CPU throttling comparison with other smartphones as well. So we'll get to know, we'll compare. So this phone versus other phones, how they are behaving. So in this way, we'll be able to understand and we'll be able to judge it. So if possible, I'll try to show you the screenshot before doing the software update in this phone, and after doing software update, maybe you might be able to understand a little bit more. So before and later, if you compare. So right now the time is about 12 minutes of time. So during this 12 minutes, you can see the graph. So far as far as remember, I didn't see this kind of red mark, I think so, but I need to refer previous screenshots to confirm it. But then I'll try to keep an eye on this performance, definitely friends, in the Realme X1 Max. So on the back side, let's see how much it's eating on the back side. So it's not bad, 35 degrees only, 36, 37.4. Not bad at all. That's kind of good, 37.8. Yep, that's good on the back side, and front side 38.6. So overall, I didn't see any kind of temperature increasing above 40 degrees. That's kind of okay. So 40 degrees it did not increase, but performance is slightly, I think, compromised. I think so. I'm not sure, but so I'll try to do the multiple time testing. I'll try to do multiple times, and then we'll try to figure out what is happening in the Dimensity 1200. So meanwhile, in case if you have any other questions regarding the CPU throttling test or anything about the Realme X1 Max, let me know in the comment section below. I will be able to test it out in my mobile phone, and I'll be able to make a video on that topic as well as soon as possible for you all. And today another thing, my main focus will be there doing the speed test comparison, because we got 5 GB RAM expansion slot. So I'm not sure how much that will be helpful in terms of the speed test. So that is another thing which I need to test. So right now we are getting close to 15 minutes exactly. Now the performance is increasing. It's kind of completely abnormal it's trying to behave. So if I try to compare with the other process, you'll be able to understand how the process they are utilizing this kind of throttling and how this phone is behaving in terms of the throttling. So we'll be able to differentiate both throttling, so you'll definitely understand. So right now we are getting close to 15 minutes. So right now it's kind of 14 minutes and 50 seconds, not bad. So let's check exactly 15 minutes. So it's done, as you can see friends, and the temperature is finally 39 degrees only. So I said only because before we did see the temperatures increasing up to 43 and 42, but that's kind of really good. But the performance score, here comes the scores. So 3,11,000 and average is 271 and minimum is 213. That's kind of really very low friends. So it's kind of 1 lakh decreased. That's kind of the 3,11,000 versus 2,13,000. So that's kind of close to 1 lakh decreased friends. That should not happen, because there should be only gap between minimum and the maximum. There should be gap only close to 40,000 or maybe 30,000. That is what most of the phones they'll try to come up with. I'll try to compare with other phones. Then you'll be able to understand a little bit more better what I'm trying to convey. So I think I do have the previous screenshot before the update. So before update, what is the CPU throttling test? You will definitely you'll have the doubt. So which I did on the 8th July, as you can see. You can see the exact time, 8th July. So today is the 12th July when I got the software update. You can see this kind of test which I did before. The minimum is 238, and average 269, and the maximum is 3 lakhs. Not bad, maximum 3 lakhs. But this time the maximum did increase. So this will be kind of really good to compare. The average 271, average 269, and the minimum. That is what my main thing is. And CPU throttled only to 80% before, and now CPU throttled up to 73%. You can see the comparison friends before and after update. I'll try to take the screenshot and I'll try to keep in the gallery. So for the reference purpose only. So when I try to do comparison with other phones, then we'll be trying to see how this phone is behaving. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comments below. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.